Introduction to portfolio building. Portfolio development is a critical step in an interior designer's career. In this module, learners will delve into the art of crafting an advanced portfolio that showcases their skills, design philosophy, and past projects. A compelling portfolio serves as a visual resume and is essential for job applications and client presentations. Selecting projects for inclusion. Advanced designers begin by selecting projects to include in their portfolio. They carefully curate a range of projects that demonstrate their versatility, expertise, and design style. Projects can encompass residential, commercial, public spaces, or specialized designs. Organizing and structuring the portfolio. Creating an advanced structure for the portfolio is crucial. Designers arrange projects logically, starting with a captivating cover page and a table of contents. They may categorize projects by type or theme for easy navigation. Project descriptions. For each project, advanced designers provide detailed descriptions. These descriptions go beyond the basics, delving into the design process, client requirements, challenges faced, and innovative solutions. It offers a comprehensive insight into the project's evolution. Advanced visual documentation. Visual documentation plays a key role. Advanced designers incorporate high-quality images of their work, including before and after shots, floor plans, and 3D renderings. They may also include videos or interactive elements to provide a dynamic view of their projects. Process sketches and drawings. To give the portfolio a personal touch, designers can include advanced process sketches and drawings. These showcase the creative thinking and problem-solving skills that underpin their designs. Material and product specifications. Designers demonstrate their knowledge of materials and products by including advanced specifications for each project. This may involve specifying sustainable materials, unique finishes, or innovative product selections. Design philosophy and statement. An advanced portfolio often incorporates a design philosophy and personal statement. This section allows designers to express their design principles, inspirations, and the values that guide their work. Advanced graphic design. The presentation of the portfolio is as crucial as its content. Advanced designers employ advanced graphic design techniques to ensure a visually stunning and cohesive portfolio. This includes advanced layouts, typography, and color schemes. Digital portfolio and online presence. In the digital age, an advanced online portfolio is essential. Designers create an advanced digital version of their portfolio that can be easily shared with prospective employers and clients. They may also develop an advanced website or utilize design-specific platforms. Portfolio critique and review. Advanced designers may seek critique and feedback from mentors, peers, or industry professionals to refine their portfolio. This process helps identify areas for improvement and ensures the portfolio effectively represents their skills. Preparing for presentation. In this final phase, designers prepare for portfolio presentations. They advance their communication skills to confidently discuss their work, design philosophy, and experiences during interviews or client meetings. They regularly update the portfolio with new projects, remove outdated content, and ensure it remains a powerful representation of their abilities. By mastering the art of portfolio development, advanced interior designers can effectively showcase their skills, secure job opportunities, and attract clients who resonate with their unique design perspective.